Hi, I'm Rock with Shadowful Workshop, here to show you how to use a negative volume to make any 3D printed accessory compatible with our Headband of Disguise. I'll be working in PrusaSlicer, but the same process works in OrcaSlicer and Bambu Studio. Step 1 is to get your model ready. Load your model and make sure it's oriented the way you want it printed. Decide where on the model you want the headband to connect. For this example, I'm placing mine here, but you can choose whatever works best for your design. Step 3 is to add the negative volume. Right-click on your model and select Add Negative Volume, and then choose the Gallery option. There is a reason for this. This will open the Shape Gallery where you can add various models for all sorts of different projects. But in this one, we're adding the Boolean model to the Shape Gallery. The Boolean model is included with the Headband of Disguise files that are downloaded at things.com. You can add it to your gallery by clicking the Add button down here and loading in the file. Once it's there, hit OK and drop it into the build plate. Now we need to position the part into the model where we want it to be. To make things easier, I go to the Object Manipulation panel and switch to Part Coordinates. Then use the Move tool to place it roughly where I want it, then rotate it so the bottom is parallel with the model's base. Switch back to the Move tool and pull it further into the model so that it's flush with the base. For easier printing without supports, I rotate mine to about a 45-degree angle from the build plate. Finally, with a few small adjustments so everything fits clean and flush, it's ready to go. Once it's all aligned, slice the model and send it to your printer. And that's it. Using this method, you can basically make any 3D model clip onto the Headband of Disguise.